gosh. Hey, what's up, boys? Reese here from Audular.com, bringing you another sample pack review. Today we're going to be checking out WA Productions Dubstep Ammo. I really like this pack. It's got a lot of good stuff in it, a lot of powerful stuff to show you guys. Now, I'm just going to go through this pack as usual, let you guys listen to some of the sounds, and then we're going to play this demo, and you could make up your own opinion on it. So, let's just hop into the pack here, check out some bass loops and what it's got. So let's do it. Nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, just some of these loops are very well made. Oh man, look at this big old pack of beatbox sounds, man. That's funny. Just sounds like an elongated tuned fart, but alright. I'll just go down like this. Oh yeah, that's got some sub to it, doesn't it? Nice. Got loops too? Nice. Snares. That's pretty cool. Let's check out some drum loops. It's nice that they labeled the tempo. I know a lot of packs don't do that. That's really cool that they did that. Nice. Alright guys, put on your headphones for these. It's gonna be good. Oh man. Dang. Oh man. That's crazy, man. Oops. Nice industrial style sounds for the percussion. Oh, Serum Presets, nice. Actually, this pack comes with a demo for FL Studio, which is what this is, and I implemented my own Serum presets in it. So it kind of shows you what you get to do with your own sounds, your own little fling. Yes! Oh, good snares. That was sick. Very good job. Oh, it comes with construction kits too. I don't know if anyone really cares about these. No offense. Nice bass. Oh, there you go. Oh well, anyways, let's play this demo. This was put together by WA Productions, but like I said before, I put my own Serum presets in it. So check it out. Let me know what you think. That's neat. That's really well put out. Sorry if I sound really nasally. I'm kind of sick. But I don't know. I really like this pack. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more, feel free to go on the Instagram and vote on which packs you would like to see, or go in the comments if you're on YouTube. Let me know what kind of packs you want reviewed next. Alright, thanks you guys. See you on the next one.